Hi children, so we're looking at plotting coordinates in what we call the four quadrants. What we mean by the four quadrants is, look, we've already learnt about the first quadrant, which is our x and y axis with positive numbers. This graph goes up to 7 and 5. So as we've already practiced, everything inside this quadrant is positive. This point will be 2, 1. This point will be 5, 3. Now we know we can have negative numbers. So if we go over to this grid and we plot here, then the coordinates of this point become -3 because we're counting backwards just like we do on a number line, 2. This point becomes -5 because we're counting backwards on our number line, and because we're counting down on this vertical number line, the coordinates are -5, -3. In this grid, we're still going positive on our x-axis, so the coordinate is 4 along, but we're going down on our y-axis, so the coordinate is 4, -2. Let's pop these coordinates in. Remember your brackets. So we said we're going -3 along and 2 up for this particular point. So your coordinate becomes -3, 2. For this point here, we're going -5 along on our number line and -3 down. So our coordinate becomes -5, -3. We're in both negative areas of the quadrant. For this one, we're positive for our x-axis. It's 4 along, but we're negative for our y-axis. It's -2 down. So our coordinates are 4, -2. Okay, that's plotting in all four quadrants. Okay, let's do a little test. How about this rectangle that I've put on the four quadrant grid? Can you tell me the coordinates of this vertices? Yeah, that's the easy one, isn't it? It's 4 along and it's 3 up. So the coordinate is 4, 3. How about this one? Well, we're still 4 along because it's a positive number going right on the x-axis, but we're going down, aren't we? So the coordinate has got to be 4, -2. How about this one? So we're going backwards 4 this time on our x-axis, so it's got to be -4. And we're in the negative part of the y-axis, aren't we? Because we've gone down, so it's got to be -2. Okay, what about this final vertices? We're still -4 along, aren't we? But we're 3 up this time. So it's got to be -4, 3. There we go. There's all 4 points plotted. So I've got some questions for you. And I want you to complete these for me. Oh, I skipped a page. Number 1, what are the 4 coordinates of the rectangle? Number 2, what are the 3 coordinates of this triangle? And number 3, what type of triangle is it? Number 4, what coordinate would you have to plot to make this a square if you wanted to add 2 more lines. And number 5, this dotted line is a mirror line. So I want an exact copy of these 3 vertices that are plotted on the opposite side of the mirror line to complete this irregular hexagon. What 3 points would I have to plot? That's it. That's the end of our 4-quadrant grid plotting lesson.